every swag in the mouth full of gold. Hoes at the shows, they was stripping off the clothes. They would call the girls, write a nigga name on it, toe. Niggas talk shit till they get locked jaw. Chrome till you don't, till you get locked jaw. Party like a cowboy or a rock star. Everybody play the tough guys and shit pop.
It seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV.
Said you hallelujah, girl said you hallelujah, girl said you hallelujah, cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night we in the spot, don't believe me, just watch.
I'll watch you for a lifetime, you're my favorite movie, 1,000 days, you mean everything to me.
Shake body, move body, make you ring alarm. Oh yeah, shake body. Them girls just they feel me now, 'cause I get some money, then they feel me now. But then they do me anyhow. I don't get some money, they wanna get down. They want me for ransom, 'cause I'm young and I'm rich and I'm handsome. They want know where I come from, and they run to some Lagos to London. All the blessings I love and they see just to make me shout hallelujah. I say all the blessings I love and they see just to make me shout hallelujah. They won't be for ransom, 'cause I'm young and I'm rich and I'm handsome. They won't be for ransom, 'cause I'm young and I'm rich and I'm handsome. Oh yeah, shake body.